Hey everyone, how you going? Hi guys, welcome to this Fishbole demonstration. I'll keep this really brief. As you can see here, I'm in the dashboard. When a user first logs in, they'll hit this dashboard. I've got a couple of test presentations that I've created. As you can see, you hover over the thumbnail, you get the options. I can create a new webinar. I'll call this Fishbole test. And then what's cool is here we've got these templates. So currently in the first build, we've just got a blank template, so you start from scratch. But as we more align ourselves with partner apps or partner websites, whether they be Slack, Mattermark, or AngelList, we'll be able to have templates for webinars specific to these apps and these websites, which is really cool because if you are looking to get yourself on AngelList, you want the best opportunity to make AngelList notice you and maybe put them up to the front, make you trending. Well, if we have an AngelList specific template that is approved by them, you come into Fishbole, you select that template, and you're confident that that content and webinar you're going to be creating is actually going to be ideal for that website. So we're really excited by that. It's just going to allow us to penetrate and get into more and more different spaces of apps and websites, which obviously is a great growth tool for Fishbole. Over here is our Fishbole seed deck. I can click edit, and what that allows me to do is edit this webinar. So I've already uploaded some slides here. I uploaded a PowerPoint file. So on the left-hand side is where your content lives. So this is where you put all your JPEGs, your PNGs, your GIFs. Pretty much you put it all in here, and then from there you're trying to figure out what you want to have on your webinar. We've also got YouTube videos. So I think I've got a YouTube link I've pasted here, which you can download. That's actually a screen demo I did. So what that does is when you download a YouTube video, you can actually watch it directly in Fishbole, which is pretty cool. So what this allows you to do is not only add slides, but it also allows you to add video content, which is really cool when you're doing a webinar. We also have a nifty editing feature where you actually can edit it. So you can top and tail a YouTube video, which is a great way of being able to have people edit video, upload video all in the same place without using third-party apps. So we eliminate that. Fishbole, like we said, bite-sized webinars, that's the name of the game. That's what we're doing. We want people to rapidly make content, and it's simple as dragging your slides onto these sections. Now, we've created these sections. In the first build of Fishbole, you had to record all your slides at one time. So if you had 15 slides, you're recording for 15 slides. That's really difficult to do without making a mistake. When you write a blog post, you kind of start writing a blog, or if you're writing an article, you write the first bit, you might leave it, you come back. And we want people to be able to do that with Fishbole as well. And that's what sections allow you to do. So here we've got our first section. I've got my title slide, I've got a summary, and I've got a problem. If I was actually recording this webinar, I would just record those 3 slides. It's about 2 minutes of length. If I like it, I can continue. I've created a new section here. And then I can start adding more content to that. So the idea is we want people to separate all this content up because Fishbole stitches all these together as one webinar. The idea with the sections is you might have a whole webinar, but in effect, if you were to create 4 sections of 4 different pieces of content, as we build out the platform, you've effectively created 3 webinars there. So you might have 1 full webinar, but you might want to try to promote that webinar. So you might go, right, I'm going to get this section 2 that I've created, and I'm going to release that to our Twitter account so people can just watch that 45 seconds. If they want to watch the whole lot, they can follow a link and watch the whole webinar. So that's another real cool growth hacking tool for people that are creating content. And the other cool thing quickly before I wrap this up about sections, as you've seen that Terence has recorded from Chile, you've seen John talk from Sydney and me from New Zealand. With these sections, as we build out, these here will be able to be edited. What that means is if I'm creating this webinar, I can create a section. I'll be able to edit this content here and maybe just type a note. Section 2, John Murray, please talk about Club Rugby TV. Terence, please talk about Startup Chile. When I'm a contributor, I jump in, I can preview this section here and then realize that this is my content here. So it's a really good way of keeping all that content in order without it getting really messy. So I hope that you guys have had a good look at the Fishbole event. Like I said, we're going to be doing a lot more of these to get you more involved in what we're actually building, and it's a great way for us to test this product, get people using it, get it out there. But that is enough from me. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.